How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with the Everyday Home Repairs Help channel, and today I want to quickly walk you through how to cut and strip MC cable with a specialty tool exactly made for this purpose. And this is from Klein Tools. There's a few different brands, but this is an MC cable cutter and it does a perfect job. Let's jump into it. If you're going to do a lot of this, it's nice to have a specialty tool. So again, we're going to go ahead and just mark ourselves where we want to make that cut. And there's multiple different makers. Here's one from Klein Tools. Here's this similar setup from Southwire. We'll go ahead and just use the Klein Tools. They're basically the same. This one has an auto adjuster. This one you can actually adjust a little bit depending on the size of MC you have. Pretty much the same features. And the way they work is you're going to set your MC cable within the channel here. But you can see the advantage of this because you're going to get the cutting wheel is going to hit right on your exact spot. The cutting depth is going to be controlled. So you're going to rotate a few times, applying pressure. And there's less worry about cutting through your conductors because again, that cutting wheel is going to only go so deep. And you'll kind of feel it let loose once you've cut all the way through. Then you can just go ahead and release. We'll see our cut line there, and really then it's just a rotation and you can pull that right off and you got your super clean cut, which also makes it easier to get your bushing on and then to put that underneath that clad, protecting your conductors. As always, all the parts and tools will be in a link below the video in the description. If you want to see 2 other methods of cutting metal clad cable, check out this video right here. I'll run you through those other options. If you need a little help on the proper connectors you should be using to bring metal clad cable into metal junction boxes, check out this video right here. So thanks for joining us on this video, and we'll catch you on one of those next ones. Take care.